Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm VARSHIKA Singh and I'm back with another exciting video. And in today's video, I have got something special for you guys. And as from the title you might have guessed, it's another Aliexpress video. And I have been seeing many handbags over the Aliexpress app. They were quite expensive, but they were so high end that I always wanted to try them and try the quality. And that's why after a long time I was just searching and I found a really good seller, and the collection was just so amazing. I couldn't resist myself from ordering two of them. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, this is the packaging which I received. The packaging was really secure. Both the handbags were in such a black packet, and I received these handbags within a span of 20 to 25 days. And yeah, shipping was really good, and I was informed time to time that where my packages are they on the custom, are they in the Kolkata custom or the Delhi custom. So I'm really impressed with the delivery this time. And yeah, let's get started. So the first handbag I'm gonna show you is this one. Again, the packaging is just so amazing. I was so impressed by this. Also, the seller is really kind. I talked to him and he was just so grateful for the collaboration. So yeah, this is the packaging also, and the first packaging is this polythene, and I also got a few free gifts with this. I got this cute ribbon bow rubber band, and it's just so cute. I also got a bracelet which is of thread, and I have a small charm right here. And with this I also got a thank you note which was just so sweet. So yeah, after this packaging, the purse was in such a paper bag, I would say. Again, I was really impressed. And then this is the handbag which I ordered. It's just so classy, so vintage. I was so mesmerized by this pic that it was so gorgeous. So I picked this one. When you unlock it from the above in such a way, you see that there is another balloon inside just to keep this bag in shape. And I never imagined that this would be inside so that the shape don't get spoiled. So I was so happy with this. Okay, so when you remove this, you have a sling right here. So this is the leather sling which I got, and you have to attach it over here. There are two holes. You can attach it here and make a sling from this. And also I would like to tell you that there is another small sling so that you can make it a sling or a proper handbag. Let me attach it and show you guys. Like this, you can make it a small handbag very easily. And if you attach the longer sling, that you're ready to go. And I will also attach a video of me properly wearing it and showing you how it looks with a proper dressed up outfit. So you have to stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, this is the bag. I was really happy with this purchase. So now moving on, I'm really excited to show you another bag because it's just so trending right now. So I have to get it in my wardrobe. So again, this is the packaging. Opening it, and again I got the same rubber band and same thread bracelet with a charm with this bag as well. So yeah, again this has another layering of packaging. Removing it, this is the bag. This monochronic bag is just so in trend right now. Every blogger has it, and I always wondered where they get it from. And yeah, the quality is really amazing. I thought the quality would be so thin, but I never imagined the quality would be so great. The plastic is really thick and it remains in shape properly. And let me give you a closer look and show you how the lock is unlocked. First of all, you have to open this like this. The second step is this, and then you have to pull it upwards, and yeah, voila, you have opened it. So inside it again is a balloon to keep it in shape. Again, very impressed. And it has some vanilla sachet just to keep the good smell, and it has a really heavy golden chain with it. And the quality of the chain is just so amazing. I never thought that the metal would be so heavy and the quality would be so great. The golden color is not fading from anywhere, and yeah, it is really good quality. So let me show you by attaching the slings. So we have to lock it again. Then this, and there we go. So this are the rings on the sides where we have to attach the sling. Oh, so here you go, the sling is attached, and this is how amazing the bag looks. Again, I'm telling you that the video will be right ahead of me both styling the both bags, so stay tuned guys. So this Okay guys, that's it for today's video. These are the two handbags which I got from Aliexpress, and I absolutely love both of them. So yeah, if you like today's video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. And please share my video guys, please. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. I will see you next time with another exciting video. For today, bye bye.